What's up, YouTube? This your boy Military and Mopar Madness, and I'm about to make a POV video on why you should get a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I drive in auto mode, but I'm just about to do a quick little walk around the car, and then we're gonna go. And I always take my key fob out the car. So I got the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack in the Hellraiser. It's a base scat. As you can see, I don't have a sunroof. I don't have a dynamics package. I don't have the 6-piston Brimbos. I don't have the plus package either. Just the base scat. The only thing I have additional is the navigation. These are my 5-inch carbon exhaust tips. Things are huge, y'all. I'm telling you, things are huge. Still got the stock exhaust system. But it's a Scat Pack. It got cloth seats, you know what I'm saying? Cloth seats are front the pond. I'm gonna get them out eventually. So it got cloth seats. Yuck, I know. But if y'all check out my previous videos, I used to have a 2013 Dodge Avenger RT. So, you know, this is way better. But without further ado, about to go ahead on the drive this bad boy. Make sure y'all drop a sub if y'all are new. I greatly appreciate it. But let's cut all the chit chat. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I'm back. So we about to get ready to go, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I feel that you guys should get our Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So as you guys know that some of you guys are familiar with the power dollars that that Dodge offers. You know, it's basically a discount. I think it's a couple hundreds off per horsepower or something like that. I think it's $100 off per horsepower. No, I think it's 1,000. I don't know. It's something like that. You get money off per the horsepower. So the Scat Pack has 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pound of torque. So I got like 4,000 something off, and I got like 1,200 off in rebates. So in total, I got like 5,600 off, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, look into the 2020s, y'all. 2020 skinny scat. Wide body's gonna cost you a little more, but the wide body scat's been having a few issues because they new. Like some people say that the 6-piston, the 2-piece rotor, it makes like a clicking sound. But the skinny body scat been out since 2015, so there haven't really been many, you know, issues with these. So, and if you really just looking for, you know, a scat, get this one. 6,000 less, you can put the 6,000 towards options, you know, instead of just having a base scat for 6,000 more without even adding the stuff you want to add to it. But make sure y'all subscribe. But I'm getting kind of sidetracked. I feel like you should get a scat because, number one, it's a lot of car for what you pay for. You feel me? It's a lot of car for what you pay for. 485 horsepower for a 4-door car. Look at all this space. Look, I don't even have children, y'all. It's a lot of horsepower. Man, this traffic is crazy. Goodness, man, don't y'all hate traffic? Don't leave, y'all. Stay watching, stay watching. But it's a lot of power for what you get. Like, look at that Honda right there. That's boring. That's boring. Look at the car behind it. That's boring. You feel me? 485 horsepower, man. This car do 180 miles an hour. It's ungoverned. Alright, but yeah, you hear that? 392 cubic inches, man. And 392 is a beast now. I know a lot of y'all like, well, the Scat Pack costs too much, you feel me? Well, when you think about it, if you buy a brand new 5.7 Charger, it's about the same price. I went to the dealership and seen Chargers for about the same price as the Scat Packs. 40,000 sticker price. Now the base MSRP of a 2020 5.7, it's about 36,000, while the Scat started about 40. $4,000 difference, but you get so much more with the 392. And if you're gonna finance, you probably gonna be paying about $100 more, which ain't really nothing. You feel me? If you're gonna spend money on a car, make sure it's something that you can handle and something that you want. A lot of people buy lower end trims and they regret it. They get an XXC, oh man, I should have got an RT. That's why you wait. Do not purchase a car that you're gonna regret. I don't regret getting a Scat, cause right now, even if I waited, a Hellcat, I would have had to wait a little longer, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like you should get a Scat, man. It's kind of in the middle of, like, top of the line. Well, it's right behind the Hellcat, but it's like right above the RT. So you kind of got like that middle, like SR. You got SRT performance in here, and you also have and it's naturally aspirated. So yeah, I feel like you should get one, man. Like I only pay about what, $530 a month on this car. My insurance $200. I'm 22. Depending on where you live will determine the price of your car insurance. You know, and these cars are known for getting stolen. You know what I'm saying? Nothing can stop someone from breaking in your car. Your windows are not bulletproof. People will always find ways to get in, you feel me? You just gotta make sure it's insured. Cars are materialistic, you feel me? So make sure that you're secure, you know, make sure you got insurance. I got Gap insurance. I highly recommend Gap if you got a Scat. Get it, bro. So it costs more, but it'll save you in the long run. And you know what I'm saying? But I feel like you should get a Scat, man. It's real affordable. It's very possible and very doable. It's not impossible. It is not impossible at all, y'all. It's not impossible at all. If a lot of y'all think that it's impossible, it's really not. You feel me? I'm 22 and I don't live with my mom. I don't have a co-signer. You know what I'm saying? I got mine on my own. And if y'all want to see how to build y'all credit, y'all go watch my credit videos. You know what I'm saying? I made plenty of credit videos just for y'all to see how to get y'all Scat. I know a lot of other YouTubers just say, oh, work hard, do this, do that. Well, everybody can work hard and still not get a Scat. You got to be specific in what you do. You feel me? It all depends on, you know, or what you want. Like, it don't matter where you work. It just all depends on where you put your money at. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. People cannot drive, y'all. Just pay attention when you drive. Do not text and drive for numerous reasons. Cause that truck in front of me throwing brakes, and I had to slam on my 4-piston Brimbos. But yeah, if you want a Scat, man, it's possible. And you see a lot of them because they are very, very popular cars. A lot of people, you know, want them. You know, the Hellcat costs too much. You feel me? It costs too much for your average person. You feel me? But it's doable. It's manageable. If I was to get a Hellcat, a new Hellcat, I'll be paying close to around $1,000. That's 2 times what I'm paying on the Scat. So I mean, you gotta realize what you're willing to pay for. You feel me? You gotta realize what's within your means. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna beat around the bush and tell you that you ain't gonna spend no money. You gonna spend money. I'm gonna make a separate video on when I pay for gas and all. It's gonna be all separate. Man, what the heck? It's gonna be all separate, y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I ain't gonna even you know, stunt. Mama, they go pick up my wife's medication. But yeah, y'all, it's real possible if you know, put your money towards what makes you happy. If your phone bill costs $200, you can really get a cheaper phone bill and you can get a Scat. But yeah, look at that, y'all. Y'all see that, man? SRT performance page. ScatPcak is not an SRT, people. It's powered by SRT. Know the difference. Because if it was an SRT, the steering wheel would say SRT. I have SRT over there, you feel me? But it's like 392, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, really just know what you want, you feel me? I mean, I'm pretty all over the place in this video, but really and truly, bro, it's not hard at all. Build your credit, save some money, you know what I'm saying? If you get paid $1,600 a month, try to save at least 10% of that a month. But I'm gonna hit y'all back up at the... What's up, YouTube? This your boy Military and Mopar Madness. I'm gonna tell you why you should buy a Dodge Charger ScatPcak. So, my first point, you should buy a Charger ScatPcak because they're very affordable. And meaning affordable, if you compare the Dodge Charger ScatPcak to other sedans, it costs much more, you know. You look at the BMW M series, those cost way more than scatpcak do. If you look at the Jaguars, those cost way more. Mercedes-Benz, those cost way more. If you want to look at, you know, the power wise, etc. You know, you want to look at the sedans, you looking at way more. You know what I'm saying? The scat is like the bang for the buck. You get 485 horsepower, 475 torque. Let me talk and drive, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all new. You getting 475 torque, 392 cubic inches, man. You got a big engine, bro. It's a big engine. You know what I'm saying? It's a big car, so obviously, you know, it's a big engine. But you get all that, man, for 40,000 or less. You know what I'm saying? Now you on the wide body, you gonna spend a little more. I should have went that way. It's all good. But if you want the wide body, you gonna spend a little more. But you know, but you're not gonna really get these kind of numbers with a car that's a Euro. You're gonna spend a little more, you feel me? So it's the bang for your buck. Two, it's fast. It's fast for a family car. You got kids, you got a family, you don't wanna buy no minivan. You can get a Charger, hold 5 passengers. Now if you got more than 3 kids, then yeah, this video ain't for you. But yeah, you can carry your family in a Charger and still have fun. I like that Chrysler 300. I see you checking me out. But yeah, you can carry your family in it. Third, it's very it's a nice looking car, you know what I'm saying? It looks good. Regardless what kind of color you get in, it looks good. The 3rd gen Chargers look pretty good. I like the 2nd and 1st, but the 3rd just look far more advanced and improved. Like, look at my SRT performance page. I don't need a taser since I got a 2020. For the 18 and below, you need a taser, but you don't need a taser for the 19s and the 20s. But yeah, it look good. You know what I'm saying? And all those might not be like good things, but I basically hit the spot on. Number one, they real affordable. You know what I'm saying? And you got the 392 engine. In my opinion, this like was my 2nd favorite engine. The Hellcat engine to my favorite engine, y'all. That's my favorite engine, y'all. So yeah. But that's why, bro. Like you can get a 5.0 or SS. You can get a 5.0 a little cheaper by the same price, but you're not gonna get the same amount of room you get in the Scat. Yeah, people tease the Scat is fat, it's slow, it's heavy, it's a boat, it's a sedan. You cannot compare a 4-door car to a 2-door car. You know what I'm saying? You cannot compare the number 4 to the number 2. The 2, and you know, is less. You feel me? And that means less weight. You feel me? But some people just don't understand that. You know. Get some like a Mustang right there, kind of, you know, they be butt hurt and everything because a 4-door car can do 180 miles an hour stock. You feel me? Oh my God, look at this traffic. But I like all cars, but I'm officially Mopar biased. My favorite car is the Corvette, but I'm getting sidetracked. Y'all should get a Scat, man. This is the time with the power dollars too. I got like 5,600 off in rebates. Y'all need to go get y'all. I got a base Scat. See, I got cloth seats. I don't have a dynamics package. I don't have the plus package. I don't have no sunroof. So it's base, bro. But I can change my interior. This car going real slow in front of me. But see, I came from a Dodge Avenger, y'all. That's what y'all don't know. I came from a Dodge Avenger. You know what I'm saying? So come on, man. Dude, I would got that Pontiac. Go. I came from a Dodge Avenger, so this is like a lot. Oh, he trying to test me, y'all. Y'all see him, right? Y'all see him trying to test me in that 300? Okay. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. He trying to test me. He's trying to test me. He's definitely trying to test me in that 300. You really want it? You don't want it. You don't want these problems. But yeah, y'all, yeah, y'all should really consider getting a Scat. Or if you want an RT, you want to spend. Now look, Don't get me wrong, if you buy a brand new RT, you're gonna be paying close around what a base scat is. So if you want a 5.7 fully loaded, well yeah, you'll pay about the same with a base scat. But me, I don't too much care for all the options. This is a Charger. It'll never be a Mercedes-Benz. It'll never be a BMW, okay? Even with all the options, it's still gonna have flaws, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still gonna upgrade the leather eventually, you know what I'm saying? It don't really bother me that much, you know what I'm saying? If I wanted quality, I would've got an Audi. But I already knew, like, the cloth seats, I'm still gonna change that. So I got a 392, you know what I'm saying? And I love this car, bro. I love the 392 Hemi. This engine is just so powerful. It's immaculate, man. It's loud it's for you know, the act is loud, bro. Stop. People like, man, what you did to it, I didn't do nothing. But people want me to do a mid muffler and resonator delete. I don't want to hear all that drone. I heard enough drone in my Dodge Avenger, you know what I'm saying? Let me slow down up here. Like, get in your lane, man. My car kind of wide, but yeah. Yeah, y'all, but y'all should get y'all. Man, this car too wide. Move out the way, man. Well, yeah, y'all should really consider getting the scat, bro. I'm telling you. Brand new. I wouldn't recommend you buy a brand new 5% because, oh my goodness, Dodge are really ripping people off on the new 5.7. And some of the 5.7 be having cloth seats for $40,000. Like, how? We looking at 115 horsepower difference, 80 torque difference, and they're about the same price. Help me understand. So I feel like the Scat is the best price out of the Hellcat and the RT, you feel me? Because the RTs are right there with the fucking Scats. So you ask me, bro, get the 392. If you gonna buy a brand new, get the 392. If you gonna buy a used, get the RT. Basically, in a nutshell. Cause I'm not worried about this car depreciating and shit. I'm keeping this car. I got bumper to bumper. I got gap. Got my warranties. I ain't doing shit right now. So y'all want me to modify it and shit. I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm avoiding my warranty. That's why my shit stopped. You know what I'm saying? But y'all need to appreciate the videos I got right now and get that watch time up on the ones I got. Watch my Avenger videos. All them other videos I got on Avenger. Then maybe I'll, you know, let me see if I can squeeze. I can be able to squeeze through here. Maybe I'll do some shit, but until then, y'all. Man, why is that woman always parking right there, man? Well, man, that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. You know, really get what you want, but that's why I recommend the Scat. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a sub and come back again. Your boy Military Mopar Madness is out, and I'm gonna keep on uploading to stay consistent. Alright, GoPro, stop recording.